In this video, you'll learn how to buy items on eBay. This guide explains the entire purchasing process from searching for products to completing your order. By navigating to the eBay website, once the homepage loads, locate the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you will enter the name or keywords of the item you wish to purchase. After typing in your search terms, press the Enter key or click the search icon. The page will refresh, displaying a list of items that match your search criteria. Take a moment to browse through the results and find a product that meets your needs. Once you have found an item of interest, click on the product title or image to view its details. This action will take you to a new page featuring comprehensive information about the product. Here you should carefully review the seller's ratings, which are typically located near the seller's name. A higher rating usually indicates a trustworthy seller. In addition to seller ratings, pay close attention to the shipping information and item descriptions. Shipping details will inform you about the delivery options and estimated arrival times. The item description provides crucial information about the product's condition and specifications, ensuring that you know what you are purchasing. When you are ready to make a purchase, look for the Buy It Now button option to place a bid if the item is up for auction. If you choose Buy It Now, clicking this button will prompt you to enter your payment details. You can select a payment method from the options provided. Review your information carefully before proceeding. After entering all necessary details, confirm your order by clicking the Confirm a Place Order button. This action will initiate the purchase process. Depending on your internet speed, you may experience a brief loading period as your order is processed. Once completed, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your purchase was successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.